Hey everyone, Dimitri's here. Today, like I promised, we're going to be talking about a little bit about the running blade. And we're going to be cooking some prawns and steak. So stick around. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Nice place that I come sometimes. Just in the winter time, it's a little bit hard to get here. The ice gets very thick and very slippery. But worth the challenge. What is life without challenge anyways, right? That's what makes me more excited to come around and to get out there is the challenge. To be able to go through the day and come back home safe. I think we all need to experience ourselves that way every day. Challenge ourselves. So, sun is gonna set pretty soon. I have another hour and a half, if I'm lucky too. So I'm gonna start cutting some wood, get some fire going. No way, Rosé. About. Okay, too close. Too close. There you go. There you go. It's much better if you cut smaller. They will light up easier and the fire lasts longer. If you have them too big, what happens is they choke up and the fire died soon. It's your best friend right here. One step at a time. Let me tell you guys one thing about this blade. It's extremely light. Feels like I don't have anything right here. So for this reason, when I take a step, it feels like there's nothing underneath to support when I take the step. So when you go to the running track, you need to be very careful. Good, right? Any other position? Maybe, let me go. Can you hear the crunchiness? It's the foot. It's so freaking light, that's unbelievable that I still standing right here. So we're gonna go through this blade many places. I'm gonna go take you guys to a running track. It feels like weightless. I am 110 right now, so I think I'm gonna have to drop a few kilos to be able to, pretty on the chubby side right now. But so 110 kilos is about 230, I would say, almost 240 pounds. I'll look it up, but it's around there. So 240 pounds on top of this blade. So it's amazing. I love it. So come with me. So there's this legend, Canadian legend called Terry Fox, a younger guy that fought cancer, and unfortunately he didn't make it. The prosthetic he used to have was very archaic, was very rough prosthetic, nothing like this. So he ran across Canada to raise money for his cause and to support people with cancer. So what I'm doing this coming up fall, I'm gonna do the same thing. So I want you guys come with me. There's a lot of physical preparation right now and mental preparation right now. So please don't give up on me. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna do it. There is 5K and 10K. I don't know each category I'm gonna fit. Obviously there's a lot of physical that I have to go through it. But that's the plan for this fall, guys. I'm gonna run the marathon. Gonna raise some money for the Terry Fox Foundation. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys out there. So when I go to the running track, this guy it's so light, it feels like you don't have anything underneath you. So when you start swinging your legs, I have no way to explain how weightless this running thing and because this guy, it's so light and it shoots you forward so hard, and then for this guy to keep up, you need to prepare the muscle to be able to keep up with the because this guy shoots you forward so far, and then when you land with your right leg, you have more impact on the ground. So you really need to prepare your whole body to run on this guy right here, which is, I'm here right now showing you guys, share it with you guys. I'm sharing this moment of me, and I won't say weakness, but I feel a little vulnerable right now. You know what I mean? I feel that I think vulnerable is the right word to describe how I feel. It's like going to my past work without my rifle and my secondary and my primary weapon. So that's why I want to share with you guys, because believe it or not, see what I'm talking about? Everything, it's like so awkward. I call this my diamond moment. What I mean by that is a diamond, before the diamond become a diamond is not a diamond. So it takes a lot of beating, a lot of heat, to polish the diamond properly for the diamond one day to become a diamond. And I think I'm in this process right now. Not that I'm ever going to become a diamond, but the process of beating and the learning process, a learning curve, it's so huge and painful. I'm telling you, the guy right up here at your groins, and it's a solid right there impact. So I call my diamond moment right now. It's going to take a lot of beating. It's going to take a lot of sweat. It's going to take a lot of tears for me to perfect the running that I used to do with my powerful taekwondo legs. And now I'm this vulnerable me. So I want you guys to come with me in this journey. And yeah. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's going to be new. It's going to be different. It's I'm going to take this for the rest of my life. So thousands of people out there, right? What's the problem? So we need to be strong. We need to be resilient, and then overcome every single day, step by step. And thank you for watching, supporting the channel. It's been amazing, and it's going to continue being an amazing journey. And I want you all come with me. Share, send me some messages, questions. I'd be very happy to know what's your input about this, curiosities, anything. All right, so let's stop crying and let's get going. Okay, I want to say thank you to Ottobock for making such amazing product. So this is my running blade from Ottobock, and I have the Genium X3. The Genium X3, this guy is for running only. This is the socket, running knee, and running blade, guys. I love it. I'm going to start running this guy pretty soon. So, this guy over here, I can lock it. So if I lock it, I need to put weight into it. If I lock it, I'm not going to be able to lock it right now. I'm just going to put weight onto it. So if I lock this guy, the whole thing becomes very stiff. So I won't fall. So with the Genium X3, allowed me to go swim, cross rivers, up and down hills, loaded with gear. I switch on my phone, on my tablet, or my iPad. The settings for my knee, the Genium X3. I can run, I can golf. So it's amazing. Ottobock, thank you very much for making our lives very easy or easier. I'm speechless. I thank you. I couldn't get any happier than this. So thank you very much.
Okay.
This place where I'm camping right now, well, I'm staying for the day, cooking something. Not allowed to have firearm, which is great. Not feeling the need for a firearm. It's something very good for you to think about. Do I always need a firearm to defend myself? Not really, right? What people used to do back in the day, right? Just this guy here alone could cause a lot of damage if I get attacked by an animal. Obviously, you wouldn't have to swing so hard to be able to do what you want, do what you need. But yeah, I think it's more than enough. Nice, beautiful ones, huh? Gonna pop the head off. There you go. So what I'm doing right now, I'm deveining those shrimps and butterfly them. So this way they'll be delicious and grill. All right. One of the best sound in the planet is this. Don't know if you can hear it, but it's sizzling. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Green garlic flatbread, guys. Here you go. Well, some butter right here. There you go. All right. How does it look, guys? Oh boy. Yeah. Gotta go a little longer here. And those guys here are just beautiful enough. Fresh bread. Beautiful night. Well, all I have to say now is thanks for watching. I appreciate. I'm gonna finish the food. Pack my truck and hit the road. See you guys next video.